Iawn, mae gennym ni brosiect yma ar ffarm Coleg Glynllifon wedi wariannu gan Arloesi Gwynedd. Prosiect ydy, da ni isio mesur fel tai. Dyna amlwg bod gwartheg tu allan sy'n pori ar cael yn mynd i fod yn symud mwy yn ystod y dydd o'r dŵr i'r ffens ac ymlaen hyn allan a gwartheg tu fewn. Ond be di dylanwad hynny ar ffitrwydd y fuwch adeg lloia a ryw cyhyrau hi ar ligaments o felly. Da ni eisiau monitro nhw dros 2 mlynedd, ac wrth gwrs da ni eisiau mesur faint maen nhw'n symud. Da ni'n gosod y teclynnau yma, pedometr ar yr 20 buwch, 10 i fewn a 10 allan, a wedyn mesur hynny dros gyfnod o 2 mlynedd.
Pwrpas heno, be byddwn ni drio wneud, o trio rhoi cyfle i ffermwyr a busnesau ffarm i ddod yma i drafod am syniadau yn y maes technoleg digidol. Mae yna newid ar droed, a dim jyst yn sôn am y diwydiannau technoleg a manwerthu a pharmaceuticals, ond mae amaeth, swn i'n deud, ar fi drwy chwildro. Mae'n amser, swn i'n meddwl fod y blynyddoedd nesaf yn gyffroes iawn.
There is a need to be innovative within the dairy industry or within agriculture, and we've got nothing to fear by being innovative because the conditions are right. And if we don't, I think we've been in trouble.
They're not here to spy on us, they're not going to be invading our privacy, but they're there to actually help us and make jobs easier for us. So it was nice to actually engage with certain members of the group who are interested to actually get on there and actually break down some of these myths and actually see, well, what they're really doing for us.
This plastic is designed to stop, to be infrared reflective and UV reflective. So despite letting lots and lots of light through the side of a building, it doesn't heat up, it doesn't feel like a greenhouse in there.
So this is enhanced normalized differential visual index. Sounds fancy, but it's just a different term of using light that we can't see, mixing it with other light that we can't see to actually get a different point and a different aspect. The ones here, which are slightly yellower, once again aren't growing so well.
And this is home. So this barn here, which we started building in 2013. There's a lot of technology. It's the first US-style barn that's been built of its kind, as far as we can tell, in Europe. It has similar ventilation. It has this polycarbonate siding. It has fans this end to draw air coming through here. It's all computer controlled. We have 16 temperature sensors there. We have static pressure sensors, humidity sensors. We're recording all that.
I think it was really exciting. I was absolutely delighted to see so many people so enthusiastic about the new technology.
Eisiau chi gymryd un peth sydd ar y bwrdd, y byrddau yma, ydych chi'n gwneud bethau rhyfedd arnyn nhw, ac eglurodd eich partner sut sa hwnnw'n gallu bod â help i chi ar y ffarm.
That for virtual reality training of lambing the sheep.
Iawn, a dyna beth dwi eisiau chi i fod, ydy arweinyddion yn y maes digidol, neu fel ni'n trio codi ymwybyddiaeth ac mae'r stori positif iawn yn mynd i'r abys yn osib.